Hey guys, this is VS here. Showing you how to do YouTube thumbnails. I know this is interesting because a lot of us try to make videos and then we wanted to have them, in place. And You see that we wanted to have a good thumbnail that is attractive and that is good to see. So I'm showing you how to make that on Canva app software. So you can see, once you type in there and put YouTube thumbnail, you'll be directed to this YouTube thumbnail, templates where you have lots and lots of them. You can actually see them by scrolling down, and you can see different patterns, different styles, different fonts, different backgrounds and everything. So it's great that you can choose a lot from these templates. And I know that being creative is everything here, and you also save time by getting into this because you can easily customize according to your requirement. So here we are doing this as a YouTube thumbnail, so I'm going to select one of the simpler ones. So I think let's check, because this is something you're going to do it on a laptop or a computer. So I think I figured this one with the laptop. Guy is trying to type in something. I think that looks somewhat appropriate to me. So I'm selecting that, and once you click on that, then it goes to that design page where you're now directed to, and you can see the templates as well on the side. So in case you need to change it, or you have a change of mind on how it's looking, you want to do something else, you can always pick up from the side tab. And now let's start to work on it. So here's how it says text. We want to change that and make the text that we want to put in. So here we are, just typing it in. How to create YouTube intro or credits. For your video. This is a thumbnail we're creating for a video. Okay, so I'm just trying to see how it looks. Just trying to adjust the picture. I don't know if we need that yellow one, so let me just see what we can do. I think we'll change the font color to, I think white looks good. Yeah. Now we can remove the yellow background there, the box. Mhm. And I think we can kind of make it look a little different. So maybe rotate a bit and see how it looks. I think it looks okay. So we're gonna see how. Yeah, I think this also we can change it. So I'll just put my initials VS. Yeah, you can change it here something. Maybe I'll just put it a little down. Just bring it to the side. I think I have to ungroup this first. Let me ungroup it. Now that I've ungrouped it, I can select my own initials. and now it is there. So yeah, I fixed it. So I think it's looking good now. You can see how it is aligned there. I think I'm somewhat okay with that. So now let's add something to probably we can fix the text here. Let's see how we can do that. Let's add some subheading kind of stuff. Text line there. That should be fine. So let's add one here. Just drag, and then you can type in over it whatever you want to. So I will just put that as subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I think I'm going to bring it down. Again, change the font so that people can see. Yeah, let me see. We can try to align that a bit. Change the size. Yeah, pull it down a bit, and then let's see if the font will change. Yeah, I think that looks much better. So let's pull this text up a bit. Let's try to see if we can make this better looking text. Let's add awesome here. How to create awesome YouTube intros or credits for video tutorial. I think this is much better now. That let's come down a little bit. Yeah, it's looking better now. Yeah, definitely looking more aligned to what we are looking at. So let's see what we can do next year. Let's go to elements and add something. Probably we want the viewer to subscribe. So let's probably look at a tick mark maybe. Let's see what type in tick. I think the round one with a green tick. I think it's looking okay. Nice. We drag it. See, when you have different objects, photographs already in the layout, so you just have to be careful because otherwise it just goes and imposes itself onto that picture. So you just have to look out for that. Now that you have just dragged it a little down, so it just stays there. Now, only thing is you need to adjust the size to bring it up, so it should not be a problem. You just have to guide it, with your mouse, or you can use the up and down keys if you want to be more controlled. I think that looks much better. So it's kind of saying yes. Now probably we can pull this up a little bit so it's more looking nearer to the tick mark. Yeah, I think it's good. Now we download this. PNG is a good format to keep your graphics, photographs in place for good output. And you save it in a file. Just name it whatever you want to. So we can just put it. putting it here in this folder. And there you go, guys. So this is how you're gonna make the video thumbnail. And I hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And I'll be doing lots more stuff in the coming days. So thank you for your time and do visit back. Do come back. Okay. Thank you and you have a wonderful day.